So guys, you gotta be careful tomorrow. Tomorrow, I don't really think it will be a good idea for foreigners to go out. Please, foreigners, be careful outside there tomorrow, because the Zulu people are going vulgar. They're going mad. They're going crazy, holding the weapon, and they are saying that they're gonna hit foreigners tomorrow. So please be careful and not to come out of your house. Keep your children and your family safe and stay inside. Please, if you get this message, please stay safe. Foreigners, please be careful. Be careful outside there. Tomorrow, your guys should be careful. It's not a place to play when there's different things like this. Like buses are coming, deploying people out of the buses, and like, okay, kwa wale wote wananielewa na wanasikia Kiswahili, please tunawaomba msitoki nje na mafamilia yenu. Yani hawa Wazulu wamesara, wana mipanga, visu, kila kitu wanavitia makali, eti kesho watawawa foreigner. Please mbake manyumbani kwenu, mkue careful. Watalala hapa kupake Albert Park kama ndio mnapajua. Please, please, please be careful. Wanalala pa Albert Park, kesho wanaingia msiti kupiga maforeigners. Wako wengi kibao, na mabasi haya yako na waleta, na zingine basi ziko zinakuja. Please be careful. Be careful. Tomorrow it's gonna be dangerous. Yani wako wengi kibao, wamejaa, wameleta mipanga, visu, vitu vingi, magongo, na wanakuwa crazy eti watawawa foreigners. Thank you for all that, for all those that are listening to me. Please be careful tomorrow. Thank you.